from hell, but I'll try. Thank you.
Okay, we have Walt Cheney up next, rather than James Shubelt. Walt Cheney's driving a 2010 Nissan. So this is Walt Cheney and his 2010 Nissan. And then we'll have James Shubelt. .6 AC for Walt Cheney.